Yo, 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 it's your boy Colin, aka Colin Trades CSP, back with you with another video. In today's video, just giving a update on my current trading account. Today is day 2. Currently in the trading portfolio, we are currently up $565, and day 2 of the trading today made over $343. So I'm just giving you guys an update on my current eval account, basically keeping you guys posted daily, show you exactly why I took the trade and so forth, and the whole process and setup around it. But basically, complete quick overview, 50,565. So currently up 565 on the account, and I need left 36 left to pass the account. And like I said, Monday today is the 17th, up $343 on the account. Now going into the chart, when it comes to today's trading day, what I did was I started on the daily time frame, seeing exactly marking my support and resistance zones on this. This is of course NQ, just wanted to show on the top. But when I came into today's trading day, I definitely wanted to basically mark my resistance and support zones, as we did not know or get a clear indication on where the market was going. So using support and resistance is a very key and assistance when it comes to figuring out what to play against. So when I marked my resistance, I saw there was multiple touch points here. Here 1, 2 around here, 3 around here, 4 around here. And then, of course, late last week, we had a touch point on Thursday and Friday of last week. So going into today, I knew this was going to be a key level to pay attention to, and it definitely paid dividends when it comes to marking it on the zone. Once I basically marked my daily time frame, I went down to the 15-minute, and of course, like I said, I like to mark the 15-minute Fibonacci retracement, or not 15-minute opening range break, to see exactly what the market, which direction was going to go. And today was definitely, I would say, a snoozer, and I know a majority of traders out there definitely had a snooze fest when it comes to it, because the market just kept barcoding left and right and didn't really give me a clear indication where it was going until we reached roughly around 11 o'clock Eastern time, when we actually started to test this resistance zone. So right when we test this resistance zone and I saw this rejection, I did go over to the ES and saw that we rejected as well. As you could see, roughly around that 11 o'clock candle. Then we pumped up and then rejected again. So this gave me a sign that this was probably potentially starting to get weak going into this resistance, which then I started my short position. When it comes to trading NQ, if you're a normal trader, you know that NQ is more volatile than ES. So when it comes to trading these points, this was definitely, a solid 70 points right there. So it paid dividends when it comes to sending this mini. Now, the issue I had when it comes to taking this trade, and of course, when you start to look at it, what a nice run of roughly around 230 points, is that I accidentally selected 2 minis instead of 1. And unfortunately, I did exit early just as a fact because of today's price action. I did not want to get completely wigged out and completely destroy this account. Now, as you can see, as I entered the short right off of this tick, we started to go sideways, and there was times when this thing was going a little bit red because of course I didn't top tick it, but I was basically in the red a little bit. And when you see 2 minis, you definitely start to get scared a little bit. So I definitely closed it a little bit too early, just the fact because I was risking too much and I was uncomfortable with risking. So then I closed the account for a profit of $330. Looking back on the trade, of course, I wish I could have held it for a little bit longer and wrote it all the way down. But when it comes to accidentally executing on multiple minis on something like that, it could have gone sideways very quickly. So of course, I just basically charted my plays out. Right when I started to basically hit to the downside, I took my profits and closed out the charts. Of course, looking back, this has been a very amazing day. But, as I could say, is when the market gives you what you want, you take it where it is and you just move on. Tomorrow will be another day, so that's how I took it. So I ended up the day up $300+. So I'll take that as a day. One day closer to passing the account, but also another day becoming slowly a better trader. So that's how I take it as, and it's a long game, so I know for a fact there will be another trade tomorrow. So that's the quick update on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed when it comes to this. Like I said, this was just a simple support and resistance trade, bouncing off the rejecting the resistance zone that I marked out on the daily time frame, played the key level, and was able to secure them profits. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This was just a quick update. I'll see you guys tomorrow and my day 3 of trying to be a profitable trader, and we go about that. So with that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.